Hi students, welcome to our maths channel. Intermediate second year maths 2B differential equation topic. Till now 5 parts completed. Today I will explain the sixth part. In the sixth part, continuation of variable separable method. In the previous part 5, total in that one 7 problems completed. Variable separable method. Now 8th problem. Okay, right? Before going to explain this problem, student, thank you for watching my classes. If you like my classes, please subscribe and share to your friends. Okay. Now, in variable separable method, we have one more problem in this section. That one is dy by dx equal to xy plus y by xy plus x. Okay. So, in order to solve this one in this method, write down the given problem in the solution as this. Given that dy by dx equal to xy plus y by xy plus x. What is variable separable method? In variable separable method, separate the variables one time with respect to that variable. That means completely y terms one side, completely x terms one side. After separating that one, take the integration both sides, then we get the solution in this variable separable method. Okay, right? So dy by dx equal to, in the numerator y is common, remaining term x plus 1. In the denominator x is common, remaining y plus 1. Okay. Now here with respect to y now, that's why do the cross multiplication. So y plus 1 into product y taken to the opposite side y plus 1 into y plus 1 by y into dy equal to, here what are the remaining terms? X plus 1 by x. Do the cross multiplication by dx taken to the opposite side, product. Then remaining term in the RHS is x plus 1 by x into dx. Okay. Now here clearly in the LHS y terms with respect to y. Here x terms with respect to x only. X plus 1 by x dx. Take integration both sides. Take integration both sides. Okay. Integration of y plus 1 by y into dy equal to integration of x plus 1 by x into dx. Okay. Separate the denominator. Y plus 1 by y. Separate the denominator to each term of the numerator. Y by y plus 1 by y. Y by y plus 1 by y into dy equal to integration, separate the denominator, x by x plus 1 by x into dx. Okay. So y and y cancel, remaining 1 plus 1 by y into dy equal to x cancel, integration of 1 plus 1 by x into dx. Okay. Integration of 1 with respect to y plus integration of 1 by y log equal to integration of 1 with respect to x plus integration of 1 by x with respect to x log x plus constant, write down in the terms of log, no problem if you write in log terms. Now plus x taken into the opposite side minus x. Here we have y minus x equal to log x plus log c, log a plus log b. What is the formula? Log a into b, log x into c, minus plus log y taken into the opposite side minus log. Okay. So y minus x equal to log a minus log b, log a into b, cx by log a minus log b, log a by cx by y. Required general solution. That is the required general solution. Required general solution is y minus x equal to log of cx by y. That's the end of the solution. Is it clear? Just separate the variables. After that, take the integration. Then we get the solution variables. Right now. Yes, students. Next continuation. In third bit, 8th B exercise third bit, dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square into x1. Okay, so in the solution here, this one is also variable separable method only. Given that dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square into xy. Okay, so in this one we separate the variable one side completely y terms with respect to y, another side RHS side x terms with respect to x. That's why here we have dy now. So that's why division we have product. That's why do the cross multiplication. Y by product opposite side 1 plus y square into dy equal to remaining term in the RHS 1 plus x square into x. That can be written as x into 1 plus x square. Do the cross multiplication, we get dx. Now totally y terms with respect to y, total x terms with respect to x. That's mean take integration both sides. Take integration both sides. Then integration of y by 1 plus y square into dy equal to integration of 1 by x into 1 plus x square into dx. Here take this is the first equation. Why? Because we get this integration directly because of this in the form of f dash x by f of x when we multiply and divide with 2. But here 1 by x into 1 plus x square. We don't have a direct formula for this one. That's why we need to partial fraction this one. So do the partial fractions. That's why take 1 by x into 1 plus x square. This can be partial fractions as a by x plus bx plus c. Bx plus c by 1 plus x square. So 1 equal to 1 by x into 1 plus x square is equal to, do the LCM. What is the LCM? X into 1 plus x square. X into 1 plus x square equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c. Bx plus c into x. Okay. Now x into 1 plus x square, x into 1 plus x square cancel. What is the remaining? 1 equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into x. Now take this is the second equation. Okay, sorry, this one is the second equation. This is taken as third equation. Okay. Now we need to find the constant ABC value. In order to get that one, first substitute take x equals 0. Why? Means if you take x equals 0, then bx plus c into 0, totally 0, we get the value of a. That's why we need to substitute x equals 0. Okay. Already this partial fractions we have in 2a. Separate chapter we have. In that we get clearly, we learn clearly how to do the partial fractions, how to we find the constants ABC. So in order to get a value, substitute x equal to 0 both sides. Then third equation implies 1 equal to a into 1 plus x value 0 plus 0 into something 0, a into 1, a only, a equal to 1. Clear. Now we need to find b and c values. Okay. If you take any negative value, toward x square value becomes positive. If that is positive, then a cannot be deleted. That's why compare both sides like terms. So here the third equation can be written as 1 equal to a into 1, a into x square, ax square, bx into x, bx square plus c into x. Okay. So compare like terms. Compare like terms. In this one, x square coefficient a plus b. Here can you have x square coefficient in the RHS? No, that's why if we compare x square coefficients, x square terms, we get a plus b equal to 0. Why? Because in the RHS we don't have the x square term. That's why we take 0. How much we get? A value 1. 1 plus b equal to 0. From this, b value minus 1. We get a value and also b value enough to find c value. So like terms, x coefficient here, see. Compare like terms. If you compare x coefficient in the RHS, C, in the LHS there is no x term, that's why 0. C value 0. Okay? Right. Now substitute all these three values in second equation. Then from second equation, 1 by x into 1 plus x square can be written as a by x. A value how much you get? A equal to 1. So 1 by x plus b value minus 1 into x plus c value 0 by 1 plus x square. 1 by x into 1 plus x square equal to 1 by x minus x by 1 plus x square. Take this is the 4. Substitute 4 in 1. Then we get the solution. In 1. Then first equation implies integration of y by 1 plus y square into dy equal to integration of 1 by x into 1 plus x square. 1 by x into 1 plus x square can be written as 1 by x minus x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So 1 plus y square derivation 2y. That's why in order to get that one, multiply and divide with 2. 2y by 1 plus y square into dy equal to, here 1 by x integration log x, no problem, minus, here we need to again do multiply and divide with 2 because of 1 plus x square derivation 2x now, that's right. 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So 1 by 2 into, this in the form of f dash x by f of x. Because of 1 plus y square derivation 2y now, that's it. So log of 1 plus y square equal to log x minus 1 by 2. Again this in the form of f dash x by f of x. Log of 1 plus x square. Let's take any constant. Log c. Okay. Now write out the final solution. 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus y square equal to, do the LCM. 2 is the LCM now. So 2 LCM, that's why 2 log x. Here there is no denominator for this one. 1 2 are 2, 2 into log x, 2 log x minus log of 1 plus x square plus 2 log c plus 2 log c. Okay, here 2 to cancel. Log of 1 plus y square equal to m into log a, that can be written as log a power n now, log x square minus log 1 plus x square. Okay, no problem. In order to simplify easily, minus term taken into the opposite side plus log of 1 plus x square equal to log of m into log a power n, log x square. Here also use the same formula, log c square. This in the form of log a plus log b, log a into b, log of 1 plus y square into 1 plus x square equal to, again this is in the form of log a plus log b, log a into b, x square into c square. Both sides log cancel. This can be written as 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square equal to, c square can be taken as constant k. That is the final solution. Required general solution is 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square equal to kx square. Is it clear? This one, in order to simplify easily, partial fractions are most important. Okay? Right. Next, students, continuation. dy by dx plus x square equal to x square into e power 3y. Okay, so this is the second problem. in order to solve this one, in the solution, given that dy by dx plus x square equal to x square into e power 3y. Okay. Now, in order to solve this one side completely x term, another side completely y term, separate like that. Then only we get the solution in variable separable method. That's why dy by dx equal to x square into e power 3y plus x square taken to the opposite side minus x square. So dy by dx from this, dy by dx equal in these two terms, what is the common term? X square is the common term. Okay. So x square into e power 3y minus 1. Now product term taken into the opposite side, y 1 by e power 3y minus 1 into dy equal to x square into dx. Now completely y terms with respect to y, completely x term with respect to x. That's mean take integration both sides. Okay, integration of 1 by e power 3y minus 1 into dy equal to integration of x square into dx. Okay, so now in order to get the solution, multiply and divide with e power minus 3y. Same model completed integrations. So 1 by e power 3y minus 1 into e power minus 3y by e power minus 3y into dy. Then only we get the solution. Integration of x square, it's very clear, x cube by 3. Let's take constant c. Here integration of 1 into e power minus 3y, e power minus 3y by e power minus 3y, e power 3y into e power minus 3y, e power 0, which is equal to 1. So now no problem, e power 0 minus 1 into e power minus 3y value, e power minus 3y into dy equal to x cube by 3 plus c. Clear? Right. Now e power 0 value 1. 1 derivation 0. E power minus 3y derivation, e power minus 3y into minus 3. Here we have minus. So totally, in order to get the solution, we need to multiply and divide with the 3. Okay. So 1 by 3 into 3 into e power minus 3 by 3 cancel, we get the remaining previous term as is e power 0 value 1 minus e power minus 3y into dy equal to, do the LCM, x cube plus 3c by 3. Here 3 cancel. Now this is in the form of f dash x by f of x. 1 derivation 0 minus e power minus 3y derivation minus e power minus 3y into minus 3. Minus into minus plus. So finally 3 into e power minus 3y. That's why this is in the form of f dash x by f of x. That's why log of f of x. Log of 1 minus e power minus 3 equal to e power x cube plus 3c. Okay. So this can be written as 1 minus e power 3y equal to log taken to the opposite side. This total term becomes the power of e. So e power x cube plus 3c. 1 minus e power minus 3y equal to a power n plus n, a power m into a power n. Okay. So 1 minus e power minus 3y equal to k into e power x cube. This is also answer. That can be simplest form is 1 minus e power minus 3y equal to k into e power x cube. That is also. Okay, no problem. Here we take the constant e power 3c equal to k like this. Okay, this is the required solution for this one. Any more doubts on this one? Right. Next, another problem, third one. Okay, so in solution, given that x cube, this is also same model, variable separable method only. X y square plus x into dx plus y x square plus y into dy equal to 0. Okay. In order to solve this one, in these two terms y is common. Y into x square plus 1 into dy equal to plus 1 taken into the opposite side minus in these two terms x is common, minus x into y square plus 1 into dx. Okay, here we have with respect to y now, that's why write the y terms in the LHS. Okay, so y, product y square plus 1 taken into the opposite side by y square plus 1 into dy equal to minus x into product term taken to the opposite side by x square plus 1 into dx. Now total y terms with respect to y, total x terms with respect to x. That's why what is the next step? Very good. Take integration both sides. Take integration both sides. Integration of y by y square plus 1 into dy equal to minus integration of x by x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, right. Now in order to get the solution, y square plus 1 derivation 2y. So in order to get 2y here, multiply and divide with 2. 1 by 2 into 2y by y square plus 1 into dy equal to minus 1 by 2 into integration of 2x by x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, right. Now simplify this one. 1 by 2 into f dash x by f of x log of f of x log of y square plus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2 into, here also same, f dash x by f of x log of f of x log of x square plus 1 plus log c. Okay, right. Now 1 by 2 into log of y square plus 1 equal to, do the LCM, 2 is the LCM, minus log of x square plus 1 plus log c. 2 log c. 2 log c. Here 2 cancel. Log of y square plus 1 equal to minus term taken to the opposite side plus. Here m into log a power m, log c square, log a plus log b, log a into b, log of y square plus 1 into x square plus 1 equal to log c square, log c square. Both sides log cancel. This can be written as required general solution is x square plus 1 into y square plus 1 c square can be written as. That's the end of the solution. Okay, this one same as the first model, but little bit different in RHS. In that first problem we have partial fractions in that first model, but we have directly LHS and also RHS, both are same models. That's why multiply and divide with 2, then we can get the solution very easy. Right? Yes, students, next calculation. dy by dx equal to next fourth problem. In the solution, write down the given problem as is dy by dx equal to 2y into tan hx. So here with respect to y, that's why product y taken to the opposite side by 1 by y into dy equal to remaining term 2 into tan hx. 2 into tan hx dx. Okay. So here y term with respect to y, x terms with respect to x, completely separated. That's why take integration both sides. Take integration both sides. Integration of 1 by y into dy equal to 2 into integration of tan hx dx. Okay. Integration of 1 by y log y into dy equal to 2 into integration of tan hx. Integration of tan hx is log of cos hx. If you forgot that formula directly, then tan hx can be written as sin hx by cos hx or not? As. So log y, sorry, no need to write this dy. Log y equal to 2 into, this is the f dash x by f of x. cos hx treated as f of x. Say f of x the derivation, cos hx the derivation, sin hx. That's why f dash x by f of x log of f of x. Okay, log of cos hx plus constant log c. Log y equal to m into log a power n, log cos h square x plus log c. Log y equal to log a plus log b, log a into b, log of c into cos h square x. Both sides log cancel. Required general solution is y equal to c into cos h square x. That's the end of the solution. Okay. Any more doubts on this one? No. Next, fifth problem. This one is very, very important for 4 marks. Okay. Fifth one, sin inverse of dy by dx equal to x plus 1. Write down the given problem as it is in the solution. Given that sin inverse of dy by dx equal to x plus 1. In order to simplify this one, this can be written as dy by dx sin inverse taken, that means sin inverse taken into the opposite side, that can be written as sin of x plus 1. Okay, take this is the first equation. So in the function only we have x plus 1, that's why use the, in order to use the variable separable, we have the substitution method in this one. That's why let x plus y equal to t. This one is second equation. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. X derivation 1, y derivation dy by dx equal to t derivation with respect to x dt by dx. From this, dy by dx equal to dt by dx plus 1 taken into the opposite side minus 1. We get x, we assumed as x plus y equal to t, we get dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus 1. That's why substitute 2 and 3 in 1. Substitute 2, 3 in 1. From the first equation, dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus 1 equal to sin t. Because of x plus y assumed as t. Sin t. Now, minus 1 taken into the opposite side plus 1. dt by dx equal to 1 plus sin. Okay. So this can be written as dt. Now use the variable separable method. Do the cross multiplication. 1 plus sin t into dx. Okay. So product term taken into the opposite side by. So 1 by 1 plus sin t into dt equal to only we have dx in the RHS. Now completely t terms with respect to t, here x with respect to x only. That's why now use the variable separable method. Take integration both sides. Integration of 1 by 1 plus sin t into dt equal to integration of dx. In order to get the integration for this function easily, multiply and divide with its conjugate. What is the conjugate of 1 plus sin t? 1 minus sin t. 1 minus sin t by 1 minus sin t into dt equal to, there is no term, then we have x. 1. Integration of 1 is x plus c. Now, 1 into 1 minus sin t, 1 minus sin t. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus sin square t into dt equal to x plus c. Okay, right? Integration of 1 minus sin t, 1 minus sin t by 1 minus sin square t equal to cos square t into dt equal to x plus c. Separate the denominator. Integration of 1 by cos square t minus sin t by cos square t. into dt equal to x plus c. Integration of 1 by cos square t secant square t minus, this can be written as 1 by cos t into sin t by cos t into dt equal to x plus c. Is it clear? Right. Integration of secant square t minus 1 by cos t secant t. Secant t into sin t by cos t tan t into dt equal to x plus c. Integration of secant square x, very good, tan x. Here tan t minus integration of secant x into tan x. Integration of secant x. Secant x into tan x means secant x only. That's why here secant t equal to x plus c. So required general solution is tan of t. T means x plus y na? So x plus y minus secant of x plus y equal to x plus c. That's the end of the solution. Okay. Here little bit different compared with the previous problem. In this one x plus y in the terms of sign. That's mean assumed as x plus y equal to t. Okay, remaining as is. Right. Yes, students, next continuation, 7th problem. We have 6th problem also. There is 5th problem, previous problem and this problem both are same model. That's why I am telling first 7th problem. After completion of this one, we have another example problem on this one, same model. After that I will explain the 6th problem. Okay? Right. So, given that dy by dx equal to tan square of x plus y. Okay? So, in order to solve this one, take this is the first equation. Let x plus y equal to t. Take this is the second. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. X derivation 1, y derivation with respect to x dy by dx equal to t derivation with respect to x dt by dx. dy by dx plus 1 taken into the opposite side minus 1 dt by dx minus 1. Okay, take this is the third one. Okay, substitute 2, 3 in 1. Then first equation implies dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus 1 equal to tan square of x plus y. X plus y means we assume t. Now from this only dt by dx equal to minus 1 taken into the opposite side plus 1. That's why 1 plus tan square t. Is it clear? Right. From the second trigonometric identity, 1 plus tan square t, secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. From the secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. That's why 1 plus tan square t replaced by secant square t. Now product term taken to the opposite side by 1 by secant square t into dt equal to do the cross multiplication dx. Okay. So 1 by secant square t cos square t into dt equal to dx. T terms with respect to t, here with respect to x only. That's why take integration both sides. Okay, so integration of cos square t dt equal to integration of dx. Integration of dx. What is the integration of cos square t? Can you have the direct formula for that one? No, that's why cos square t in terms of cos 2t, very good, 1 plus cos 2t, 1 plus cos 2t by 2 into dt equal to integration of 1. There is no term, we have 1 only. That's the integration of 1 x plus c. Now 1 by 2 is constant. Integration of 1 here t. Next cos 2t integration sin 2t by internal function 2t derivation 2 equal to x plus c. Okay. Now 1 by 2 into, do the LCM, 2t plus sin 2t equal to x plus c. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4. Do the cross multiplication. Here 2 into t as good as x plus 5 equal to sin of 2 into x plus 5 equal to 4 into x plus c. Okay. 2x plus 2y plus sin of 2 into x plus 5 equal to 4x plus 4 into c, 4c, that can be written as 4c equal to k. Okay, since 4c we taken as constant k. Now plus 2x taken to the opposite side, minus 2x. So now this can be written as 2y plus 4x taken to the opposite side, minus 4x. 2x minus 4x means minus 2x plus sin 2 into x plus 5 equal to k. Okay, so required general solution is 2 into y minus x. In these two terms 2 is common, that's why 2 into y minus x plus sin of 2 into x plus 1 equal to k. That's the end of the solution. Okay, write down. Students, that's the end of the today's class. We have few more problems on this one. Some 2 to 3 example problems and one more exercise problem. I will explain that 4 problems in the next class. Students, before going to end the class, thank you for watching my classes. If you like my classes, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you so much.